What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Economic Events. Today, we're going to be talking about Warren Buffett. We've got an article here from the Economic Times. It says, Warren Buffett still wants deals but can't find any attractive ones. So what does he do? He buys stock in his own company, Berkshire Hathaway. Let's get into it. So it's highlighted that Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway experienced a significant stock buyback, indicating confidence in the company's prospects. The buybacks amount to approximately $6.6 billion in the second quarter of 2023, further solidifying the company's commitment to returning value to its shareholders. The move suggests that Warren Buffett views Berkshire Hathaway stock as an attractive investment opportunity and believes in the company's long-term growth potential, signaling a positive outlook on their financial performance. So obviously he hasn't been able to find bargains in the stock market, and if you've been keeping up with the stock market in the last year or so, it's been all over the place. Interest rates have been going up, but the stock market has been going up at the same time. It's completely bonkers. So I've got here in my notes that that Berkshire Hathaway, which is Warren Buffett's company, is got 147 billion in cash, just in case of an economic doom. So for those of you that are unfamiliar with Warren Buffett, they call him the Oracle of Omaha, which is where he's from, Omaha, Nebraska, and he's lived there pretty much all his life. And he bought a house back in, I think it was the 50s, for like $30,000 or $55,000, and then he's been there ever since. And that's kind of been his homeland, if you will. So, let's see. I got here in my notes that while Berkshire did buy more stock than normal, Berkshire was a net seller of stocks last year, unloading 7.4 billion more shares than it bought. So last year it still bought some, but it sold a lot more compared to this year. So, and then in this year, so with Berkshire, they're getting about $7 billion in cash every quarter. We're talking about $28 billion a year, so it makes sense as to why they have so much cash on hand. And it says in the article about the reason that with Buffett, he likes to keep it around $30 billion in cash reserves in his in his company, just in case of they call it insurance on positions that he has underlying positions with. So I would be listening to Warren Buffett. I mean, this guy, he's made a career off of making very timely moves. So if he's got 147 billion in cash, or his company does, then that's going to be a sign that he may be expecting economic doom coming in the near future. And I tend to agree with him. I think that with unemployment kind of gradually going up a little bit and interest rates continue to go up, I think they just raised rates by another 25 points just recently. The overall funds rate is about 5.5 to 6%, somewhere in those lines. So a lot of things are happening with the market. The thing is with Warren Buffett, this guy is 90 something years old, 91 years old, whatever he is, and he's still going strong. That should kind of give you guys like inspiration to go forward with whatever passion, or because it sounds like obviously his passion has always been stocks and picking bargains, as he says. So that should give you guys inspiration that no matter where you are in life or how old you are, you can always go and keep doing what you like doing and somehow monetize it like him. I mean, we're talking about him making his company making $7 billion every 3 months. That's pretty solid money right there, even to somebody like Buffett, who is worth worth over $100 billion still. It's just mind-boggling. So I like Warren Buffett personally. I think he's made some really good investments he's got the Coca-Cola stock, Apple stock. He continues to buy more and more into Apple stock. He's got let's see, what else does he have? I know he has some in Geico, a lot of different companies. He's he's picked some huge winners, and this guy has consistently outperformed the market, and he's just an impressive character. So I really like what he does. I would actually like to meet him one day. So Warren Buffett, if you're out there watching my channel, I just want you to know I'm a huge fan. I'd like to meet you one of these days. Hopefully, that'd be a very cool opportunity. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and tell me what you think. Do you like Warren Buffett? Do you think he's too old? He needs to step away and kind of give his money away to somebody like you who would do better than what he's doing? That would be interesting to see that back and forth. I do read all the comments. I do reply to all the comments. So looking forward to what you guys say about that and about this particular article right here. So remember to hit that subscribe button